Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. This is video number 4, guys, and I'm doing question 5. Please note that there are other 3 videos already uploaded, whereby I tackled question 1 to 5, question 1 to 4 rather. And there will be other 5 videos following this one. Please, guys, click the link on the description below. It will take you straight to the playlist with the full memorandum, whereby you can get all the questions you want. You can download the question paper and answer the questions with me. If there are things I'm not sure about, please do write on the comment section. I'll definitely come and assist you. Okay. Question 5. We are told that in the diagram below, g of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x. A and B are the turning points of G. C, O, and D are the 3 x-intercepts of G. C, O, and D are the 3 x-intercepts of G. Ne? First question, I'm supposed to determine the coordinates of A and B. A and B are my turning points. Ne? So for me to find the equation of my turning points, I just need to find the first derivative, equate it to 0, and then solve for x. I'll simply have f prime of x to be equal to 3x squared minus 3. For me to find the coordinates of the turning points, I need to take my derivative and equate it to 0, then solve x. I'll have 3x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. I can divide everything by 3. I'll end up having x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. And then I'll factorize. This is a difference of 2 squares, right? I'll just have 1, 1, minus, and plus. Then x is 1, or x is negative 1. Are you together? So this simply means that the x value at point A, since A is the turning point which is on the left hand side of the y-intercept, it simply means I'll have negative 1. Just need to find the corresponding y value. And here I'll have 1. I'll just need to find the corresponding y value. How can I find the corresponding y values? I'll just substitute here. G of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x. Ne? So g of negative 1 is just negative 1 minus 3. And then I'll have negative... so this will give me negative 1 plus 3, which will just give me 2. So the value there is positive 2. And then g of 1, I'll just have 1 square, 1 cubed rather. 1 cubed minus 3 times 1. So this will give me a negative 2. So I'll have a negative 2 there. Okay. Now I do know the coordinates of my turning point. As I'm creating room for me to write, guys, please subscribe. Okay, on the Cartesian plane above, sketch the derivative function of g prime of x. Ne? Okay, with g prime of x will be equal to 3x squared minus 3, right? So it simply means I will have my curve like this. Are you together? I will have negative 3 here, and then here I'll simply have negative 1 and 1. If negative 3 is down there, my curve will be like this. Guys, your curve should be a bit neater than mine. Ne? Yeah, but my curve should be like this. Ne? I know that the x value at the turning point of the original function will be the x value at the will be the x-intercept rather of the derivative function. So that's how I should have drawn the derivative graph over there. Okay. I know that the x-intercepts are negative 1 and 1. Okay, now I'm supposed to determine the equation of the tangent to the original function at x is equal to 3. Okay, if you have an x value, guys, an x value. An x value can tell you about two things. If you substitute your x value on the equation of f of x, it will give you the corresponding y value. Are you together? But if you substitute your x value on the equation of f prime of x, it will give you the gradient of the tangent. The gradient of a tangent. Are you together? So I need both of these things. I need both of them because I know that for me to find the equation of a tangent, the tangent is a straight line. I will need a point on the line and the gradient. So since I have x, I can go and find the corresponding y value. Excuse me. I'll say g of 3 is equal to 3 cubed minus what do I get? That's 27 minus 9, that's 18. 27 minus 9, yeah, that's 18. And then it simply means that my point, let me write here, my point is simply 3 and 18. I just need to go and find the corresponding, or rather I just need to find the gradient when x is 3. G prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 3. So therefore g prime of 3, this will give me the gradient of the tangent at x is equal to 3. So this is 3 multiplied by 3 squared minus 3, that's 24. So my point is 3 and 18 and my gradient is 24. So I do have the point and the gradient. I can simplify the equation of the line by just substituting on the equation that says y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, right? I have 1 y minus y1 mx minus x1. I just need to substitute here. y1 is simply 18, x1 is 3, and m is just 24. So I'll have y minus 18 is equal to 24x minus 24 multiplied by 3, that's minus 72. Then I'll have x is equal to 24, 72 minus 18, that's 54. So this will be the equation of my tangent. That's how, guys, we could have tackled question 5. Yeah, question 5. It's easy, Nyabo. Just easy. Yeah, that's how I could have tackled question 5. If there are things I'm not sure about, guys, please do write on the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe, you like, and share to your peers, guys. A thing or two that I do here will help them before their final exam.